Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to Art Journal April, day 2. So let's get out our art journal or your junk journal, whatever kind of journal you choose for this challenge, and dive into day 2 and the prompt of Wordart. For today's prompt, I did decide to go more minimalistic in a way and not do a super heavy multimedia kind of spread, because I really want to make sure this journal isn't getting too chunky. That's just one thing. I prefer my sketchbooks to be not so super chunky, other than my junk journals, where I really love that they get super big and bulky. I really like to keep my sketchbooks a bit more on the slimmer side, so I decided to just use some very minimalistic supplies for today's spread and just use kind of one material in a way. It's different pens, but I don't know. I feel like it counts as one. It's not that mixed media. So I just decided to write art a bunch of times and freedom in the middle to create some eyes, as art is what gives us freedom and creativity is what sets us free in a way. At least that's what I feel like for me is a very important part. So I decided art and freedom would be the perfect words to use to create this art piece for today. And this one was a really kind of fast and quick one, but I feel like the focus was more on the concept of this sketch, and here I decided to use a different kind of pen, as the biro was kind of very thin, and I don't know, I felt like I needed something more expressive, so I decided to switch up the pen mid-process and go with the thicker felt tip kind of pen here. And I really like the more darker tone of black in this. I don't know, I feel like it works better if it is more expressive and has a higher contrast in a way, as it is a very simple spread. But I'm honestly super happy with how this spread turned out. So yeah, even though it's a really quick one and super easy to do, I feel like it is kind of a fun concept and fun piece of art that it came out. So highly encourage you to sometimes just go simple with what you do in your sketchbooks or your art journal. And you could also completely write out a journal entry in this style and make a different kind of picture with your art journaling. I feel like there are so many possibilities to use words in your art, and I really always incorporate words into my art journal spreads a lot of times, so I decided to just try something different today, and I'm really happy with how this spread turned out. Also, I really wanted to say, I did forget that in yesterday's video, thanks so much for 6,000 subs. I'm so happy our little creative corner here is growing so well, and you are loving all my little creative adventures and the videos so much. So thanks so much for all the love and support on my content and everything I put out here. And I hope I can inspire you to get creative and just experiment with your art or your sketchbooks or whatever kind of creative medium you like to use for your creative expression. There is no right or wrong in creativity. You just have to allow your own creativity to find its ways, and it will. Just sometimes we have to allow it to find its own path and its own way, and not force it into the form or the path we thought would be the right one, maybe. So allow yourself to experiment a bit. That's what I would like to highly encourage everyone with this creative challenge. Just go with the flow for each prompt and have a bit of creative fun in the day-to-day life. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and would love to hear your creative ideas in the comments down below. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Until then, happy creating!